Good morning, students. In last class, we had read about Earth and globe. Today, we are going to start our remaining part of this chapter. Indications on globe. Land and water bodies on a globe are shown in different color. The water bodies are marked in blue, white. The land surface are shown in different colors so that we can locate them easily. The point at the top of the globe is called the North Pole. जो ग्लोब का सबसे ऊपर का जो होता है पॉइंट टॉप का वो क्या कहलाता है? नॉर्थ पोल. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. देखो नॉर्थ पोल. The point at the bottom of the globe is called the South Pole. बॉटम वाला हिस्सा क्या कहलाता है? साउथ पोल. देखो the line running from the center and joining these two end points are called the axis of the earth. The two ends of the axis are called the poles of the earth. It is only an imaginary line. The earth rotates on its axis from west to east. ये कैसे रोटेट करता है? West to east. The rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. ये जो रोटेट करता है अर्थ उसी से क्या होता है? डे और नाइट, रात और दिन. If we look carefully at the globe, there is another imaginary line running around the globe. It remains at equal distance from the North Pole and the South Pole. This imaginary line is called the equator. देखो यहाँ इक्वेटर, ये इमेजिनरी लाइन ये क्या कहलाता है? इक्वेटर. इट डिवाइड्स द अर्थ इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. दो भाग में इसे डिवाइड कर देता है. द हाफ पार्ट टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ ऑफ द इक्वेटर इज कॉल्ड नॉर्थर्न हेमिस्फीयर. द अदर हाफ दैट लाइज टुवर्ड्स द साउथ ऑफ द इक्वेटर इज कॉल्ड द साउथर्न हेमिस्फीयर. Most of the areas in the northern hemisphere are covered by land, whereas the areas in the southern part have water. Southern part में क्या है? Water. Northern part में किससे cover है? Land से. So the northern hemisphere is also known as land hemisphere, and the southern hemisphere is also known as water hemisphere. Equator and poles of the world. Next, latitude and longitude. There is a network of lines dividing the earth horizontally and vertically. These are also imaginary lines. The lines running parallel to the equator in the east-west direction are called latitude or parallels of latitude. The lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole in the north-south direction are called longitude or meridians. Next, parallels of latitude. The lines of latitude are also called parallels because they run parallel to each other and are placed at equal distance. They never touch or cut any other parallel. The equator represents the 0-degree latitude and runs around the earth midway between the two poles. The equator is the longest of all the parallels. All the other latitudes are parallel to the equator, but these parallels keep decreasing in length as they move towards the poles. At the poles, the line is just a point. All the parallels are numbered from the equator. The parallels in the northern hemisphere are known as north latitude. जो northern hemisphere में वो क्या कहलाता है? north latitude. देखो नॉर्थ पोल का नॉर्थ, यहाँ नॉर्थ latitude होगा. and labeled as N. The latitude in the southern hemisphere are called south latitude and labeled as S. Look at this picture. Latitude of the अर्थ। ये है साउथ पोल, बीच में ये जो लाइन है ये क्या है, इक्वेटर, और ये ऊपर टॉप का हिस्सा क्या है, नॉर्थ पोल। सो चिल्ड्रन, टुडेज क्लास इज ओवर। थैंक यू।